Welcome, skincare professionals. Here's a one-of-a-kind next-generation technology called Meso Skin Therapy. It's the latest and greatest in microneedling with skin nutrient infusion. Nutrient-rich serums that focus on anti-aging such as wrinkles, collagen, unwanted fat, or lipo-targeted areas, including hair restoration. It can be used on the entire body. No more pain or discomfort, and especially no bleeding as in traditional microneedling. There's an 85% skin nutrient absorption. That's incredible. Your customers get more skin nutrients in half the time. It promotes blood flow, metabolism, and restricts skin cell aging. Specifically designed for med spas, using microchip, transdermal technology, and electroporation. It's non-invasive skincare with no pain or blood. Hottest, next-generation microneedling technology available today. 877-404-2303. 200% return on investment in 20 weeks and 1,000% return on investment in 36 months. 877-404-2303.